Have you ever wondered why we yawn and why seeing someone else yawn makes you want to yawn too? Let's break it down. Yawning is your body's way of cooling down your brain and increasing oxygen intake. When you're tired or bored, your brain slows down and yawning helps wake it up. But here's the fun part. Yawns are contagious because of a phenomenon called social mirroring. It's linked to empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain instinctively connects with them and triggers a yawn in you too. So, did you yawn while watching this? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this quick fact, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.